And now today's weather kind of starts to put you in the holiday spirit a little bit, Jason.
That's one good thing about it, even the cold. I mean, we got a little bit of snow, but that temperature starts to drop, and I just start saying, ho, 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 it's almost Christmas. But yeah, we've got a little bit of snow up there right now up near Baxter. It's been pretty light, but heavier stuff is out near Iowa City right now. So again, if you're headed out on the roads, we've had partially covered roads all the way upwards towards Waterloo and up near the Minnesota border. So take it a little bit easier. Temperatures have dropped to freezing or below, so we could see, again, even some slick surfaces where it's not snowing just from melted snow. And that area of snow continues to push its way to the south. Again, they had quite a bit of snow upwards into Minneapolis in spots. Their roads getting a little bit better. So if you do have plans to head up there even tomorrow morning, I'd take a quick check of those road conditions before you do to make sure that you're not going to be sliding around a little bit as you do that. That big area of snow taking a hike out of here, though, as we head into the day tomorrow. Winds really not going anywhere. We're still going to be seeing those gusts upwards of 35, maybe 40 miles per hour. So that is going to make for a frigid start to the day. And as we work through the day, again, winds stay up. We could see a peak of sunshine. But by Friday, thankfully, those winds finally take a break. I can't even tell you the amount of people that have just asked me, when are these going to be done? I'm sick of them. Friday's your day. I can tell you that much. And as we head into the weekend here, skies clear out a little bit, and you'll see temperatures warm back up. We're at 48 on Saturday, into the mid-50s on Sunday. So if you are headed out to that Makers Market at Jester Park, it's going to be the nicest day we'll have out of the next 8 easily. Tomorrow, not necessarily, but Jingle in the Junction. It'll help you get in the spirit. 39 by 3 p.m. It is going to be breezy, though, so plan for that. Dress warm. And in the morning, as you head out to your car, dress warm as well. All of us, for the most part, are going to be into the teens. There's going to be portions of the state that are not even in the teens. So hanging on to chilly temperatures, and as we work our way into Friday, as we head into the afternoon, those feels like temperatures still staying in the low 30s. So still a little bit of a chill out there as we head towards Thanksgiving. We've got a system we're keeping an eye on. Models are anything but in agreement on this storm. You can see this one takes it south and does keep some snow in the mix with us here. But other model runs have taken it a little bit further to the north. Nothing locked in with this, but I just want you to know we're keeping an eye on this because I know everybody's hitting the road for the holidays, and we want to make sure that you're as safe as you can be while you do that. We're down to 28 tonight again. Could see a lingering snow shower out there as we check out the 8-day forecast, riding that temperature roller coaster. We're taking up that hill as we head into Saturday. 48 there, 54 on Sunday, keeping it mostly cloudy for much of the stretch. But look at this drop. We're down to 24 Tuesday morning, and we bounce back up to 41 by Wednesday. Again, though, Wednesday into Thursday, keeping an eye on that time frame for any chances for rain or snow. But as we head into Thanksgiving, keeping it cool in the upper 30s.
And just